Munawar Iqbal Farooqi, an accomplished Indian stand-up comedian and writer, has gained notoriety for his bold commentary on religion and Indian politics, often finding himself embroiled in controversy. Munawar was born on 28 January 1992 in Junagadh, Gujarat. Munawar is not only known for his incisive humor, but also for his proficiency in graphic design and art direction. Despite his public persona, Munawar has been discreet about his parents' identities. Nevertheless, sources have disclosed that his father worked as a driver, while his mother led a humble life as a homemaker. The comedian has three sisters, one of whom goes by the name Shabana. In addition, Munawar disclosed that he tied the knot in 2017 and later revealed on the reality show Bigg Boss 17 that he is a father to a son named Mikhail. The comedian also mentioned that he went through a divorce in 2022, stating on an episode of the reality show Lock Up, hosted by Kangana Ranaut, that he hadn't lived with his wife for 1.5 years. In December 2021, Munawar's romantic involvement with Indian model Nazila Siteshi made headlines. Although rumors of a breakup circulated in 2022, both Munawar and Nazila denied the speculations. Munawar hinted at being in a relationship during another episode of Bigg Boss 17, but he chose not to disclose the identity of his partner. He shared that he had been dating this person for 2 years. Munawar Iqbal Farooqi education qualification. Due to financial limitations, Munawar discontinued his formal education after completing the 5th grade. Despite these challenges, Munawar persevered and eventually earned his graduation degree. Munawar Iqbal Farooqi career. Munawar is widely recognized for his predominantly politically themed content, often featuring critiques of the Narendra Modi government. One noteworthy video showcases him delving into the National Register of Citizens (NRC) and addressing the Delhi riots that transpired amidst the anti-CA protests in 2020. On a different comedic note, Farooqi has earned popularity as a stand-up comic, having embarked on a comprehensive tour across India, with his stand-up special titled Dongari to Nowhere in 2019. Beyond the realm of stand-up comedy, Farooqi is a versatile artist, demonstrating his skills as both a singer and rapper. Notably, Munawar unveiled his debut rap song, Jawab, during the lockdown imposed in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. In addition, Munawar Farooqi emerged triumphant on 8 May 2022, securing the coveted title of the winner in the reality show Lock Up. The competition was fierce, but Farooqi clinched the top spot. Farooqi's victory was accompanied by substantial rewards, including a gleaming trophy, a cash prize of 20 lakh rupees, and the keys to a brand new car. The show served as a platform for contestants to unveil aspects of their lives, and Farooqi was no exception. Building on his reality show success, Munawar Farooqi made a return to the small screen as a contestant on Bigg Boss 17 in 2023. Throughout his career, Munawar won the open mic at the Synergy Fest in 2018, the Comic Con 4.0 by Pizza Burst in 2018, and the OTT Play Changemakers Awards in 2023. In the year 2023, Munawar Farooqi's approximate net wealth is valued at $1 million, equivalent to approximately 8 crore Indian rupees. Lesser known facts about Munawar Iqbal Farooqi. Number 1. Allegedly, Munawar earns an impressive 1.5 lakh rupees per performance in his comedy shows. As of October 2023, reports indicate that he stands among the top earners on the reality TV show Bigg Boss 17, pocketing a substantial 7 to 8 lakh rupees per week for his participation. Number 2. In addition to his flourishing career in comedy, Munawar is the proud owner of a KTM RC200 motorcycle. Number 3. When it comes to his culinary preferences, Munawar leans towards non-vegetarian fare. Number 4. Adding to the facets of his lifestyle, Munawar occasionally indulges in the pastime of smoking hookah. Number 5. In 2008, Munawar's father fell sick and became confined to bed. Consequently, at the age of 17, he took on the responsibility of leading his family. Subsequently, Munawar shouldered the responsibility of arranging marriages for his 3 sisters. To make ends meet, he even worked during the day and enrolled in a computer course in the evenings. Number 6. Before entering the realm of stand-up comedy, Farooqui held various jobs, including working as a utensil seller and a salesman in a shop. Number 7. During his early 20s, Farooqui served as a graphic designer in a reputable firm. It was there that he discovered his knack for crafting clever one-liners for posters. Number 8. While juggling odd jobs, Farooqui stumbled into the world of stand-up comedy. This revelation occurred on the set of a commercial shoot where the producers were recreating a stand-up comedy scenario. Number 9. Munawar family realized stand-up comedy was a full-time profession when people began approaching him for selfies. Number 10. Commencing in January 2020, Munawar uploaded stand-up comedy videos on his eponymous YouTube channel and quickly garnered widespread popularity. Munawar's breakthrough came with the release of his inaugural video, Politics in India, on 24th January 2020. Number 11. In July 2019, Munawar showcased his first one-hour Gujarati show, Dodh Dahiyo, in Malad, Mumbai. Number 12. In January 2020, Munawar initiated his journey on the YouTube platform, sharing stand-up comedy videos on his channel bearing his name. The response was overwhelming, catapulting him to widespread fame. On 24th January 2020, Munawar reached a significant milestone with the release of his inaugural video titled Politics in India. Number 13. Munawar inaugural ticketed performance debuted in Mumbai in February 2020, coinciding with the unfortunate passing of his father in the same month. Number 14. Throughout the 2020 COVID-19 lockdown, Munawar Farooqui garnered a substantial following for his fictional character, Rajat Bhai, featured in his Instagram videos. Number 15. Having premiered the set Dongari to Nowhere in August 2019, Munawar embarked on a nationwide tour in October 2020. Unfortunately, the tour faced an abrupt halt due to the controversy surrounding his arrest in Indore. Number 16. In February 2020, Munawar shared the Chaukidar song, blending music with humor to satirize the Modi government. The following month, Munawar presented the NRC song, a video featuring jokes about the Delhi riots and employing sarcasm and satire to comment on Indian politics. Number 17. By August 2020, Munawar unveiled his inaugural official music video, Jawab, a collaborative effort with Indian musician Spectra. Number 18. Munawar Farooqui clinched victory on 8 May 2022 in Kangana Ranaut's program, Lock Up. His triumph secured him a trophy, a cash prize of 20 lakh rupees, and a new car. Did you like Munawar Farooqi's performance in Bigg Boss? Tell us your opinion in the comments section. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel for further interesting videos. Till then, stay with us.